The production of paper for the new 50 euros banknote, like all euro banknotes, is a highly specialized process managed by the European Central Bank (ECB) in collaboration with accredited printing works and paper mills across Europe. The new 50 euros banknote, part of the Europa series, was issued on April 4, 2017. The banknote paper is made of 100% cotton fibers, giving euro banknotes their unique texture, durability, and resistance to wear and tear. Cotton ensures that the banknotes can withstand frequent handling and environmental stresses over time. During the paper production process, certain security features are embedded directly into the paper, such as watermarks visible when the note is held up to the light, security thread, that is a dark stripe embedded into the paper that becomes visible when held against the light, and colored security fibers, which is tiny, randomly distributed fibers in blue, red, and green, are included in the paper. The production of banknote paper for the 50 euros and 20 euros note involves several carefully controlled stages. Cotton fibers are processed and treated to remove impurities. The fibers are bleached and refined to create a pure and strong base material suitable for banknotes. A multi-dome watermark of the Europa portrait from Greek mythology, and the denomination is integrated during the paper manufacturing stage using a mold-made process. The image is formed by varying the density of fibers in specific areas, creating a light and dark effect. The security thread, a thin metallic strip, is embedded during paper formation, running vertically through the note. The paper is prepared with a specific zone where the holographic foil will later be applied during printing. The paper undergoes rigorous inspections to ensure uniform thickness, strength, and the flawless integration of embedded features. Advanced imaging technology and manual checks detect and remove defective sheets. Once the specialized paper is prepared, it is sent to euro banknote printing facilities across Europe for printing and further enhancements. The background colors and patterns of the banknote are printed using offset printing techniques. Raised printing is applied for the main design elements, including the portrait of Europa, the architectural theme, and tactile features for the visually impaired. The note features a holographic stripe showing the portrait of Europa, the denomination, and other dynamic images. The 50 euros and 20 euros denomination numerals change color and display a light effect when tilted. Certain elements of the note fluoresce under ultraviolet light. Euro banknotes are produced at multiple accredited facilities across the Eurozone. The ECB coordinates production quotas and allocates them to member states, ensuring consistent quality and security. The ECB prioritizes sustainability in its production processes, therefore they use environmentally friendly dyes and water-based inks. The 50 euros and 20 euros note is the most widely circulated euro banknote, representing over 45% of all euro banknotes in circulation. Its popularity makes it a frequent target for counterfeiters. The enhanced security features in the Europa series ensure that the 50 euros note is highly resistant to counterfeiting while remaining user-friendly. The production of the 50 euros banknote demonstrates a blend of art, science, and technology, ensuring that the currency remains secure, durable, and widely trusted. The
i
Swiss
lati e
National
richiede
Bank
un'estrema
(SNB)
precisione.
introduced its new
La
series of
stampa del
Swiss
recto della
banknotes
banconota e
called
quella
the
del
Ninth
verso
Series
sono
between
allineate con esattezza
2016 and
micrometrica.
2019. These
Questa
banknotes are
precisione appare
celebrated for
evidente
their
osservando il
advanced
foglio in
security
controluce.
features, innovative
I
designs,
segmenti di linea
and
rossi e
exceptional
verdi
printing
si
quality.
congiungono per
The
formare una
Ninth
croce
Series
svizzera.
emphasizes Switzerland's core values, including innovation,
Con procedimento
humanitarian
serigrafico,
tradition,
le
and
banconote
natural
sono dotate
beauty,
sul verso
rather
di una
than
banda
depicting
brillante.
individuals. The notes are made of 3
Questa
layers
conferisce più
substrate,
stabilità al biglietto.
Durasafe, combining cotton paper with 2 layers of
Con
transparent
l'applicazione
polymer
della
for
pellicola
durability
trasparente
and
viene
enhanced
apportato un altro
security.
elemento,
The
la
series
striscia di
includes 10 Swiss
sicurezza.
francs, 20,
La
50,
striscia di
100,
sicurezza è applicata sulla
200,
carta
and
mediante
1000
pressione a caldo.
banknotes. The production
Essa
of
è
Swiss
costituita da vari
banknotes
strati
is
e
a
contiene
highly
fra l'altro
complex
cifre
process
rosse e
involving
verdi.
several steps and state-of-the-art technologies.
In
The Swiss
superficie sono
National Bank
osservabili le Alpi,
collaborates with
un
Oral
microtesto
Fussli
e la
Security
cifra
Printing
50.
Limited, a specialized printing company. The notes are printed on Durasafe,
Con un
a
secondo
high-performance
procedimento
composite
serigrafico,
material.
in tutte le 6
Durasafe has
banconote della
outstanding
nuova serie
features,
è
such
integrato
as a
un globo
central paper
luccicante.
core ensures flexibility. 2
A
transparent
seconda
polymer layers
dell'angolo di
on either
osservazione,
side provide
mutano
resistance to
l'immagine e il
soiling,
colore.
tearing
Tale
and wear,
effetto è
and the
ottenuto
layer
impiegando
design
inchiostro
allows
con
for the
pigmenti
integration
magnetici.
of advanced
Questi sono
security
orientati
features
mediante
like
un campo
transparent
magnetico.
windows. Swiss banknotes are printed using a
Inclinando
combination of
lateralmente la
techniques
banconota,
to
sul
achieve
globo appare
precision
un arco
and
dorato.
incorporate security features, that is offset printing, intaglio
Uno
printing,
dei più
and screen
importanti
printing.
passaggi è la stampa
Advanced features
calcografica.
include
Le parti
holographic
incise
elements
dalla
and
lastra
lenses,
sono impregnate
such
con i
as the
diversi
dynamic
inchiostri.
moving images in the transparent
L'impressione
window.
avviene su
These
entrambe le
features
facce della
provide a
banconota.
high-tech appearance and make the notes very
Mediante
difficult to
un'enorme
replicate.
pressione ad alta
Each note
temperatura,
receives a unique
l'inchiostro
serial
viene
number.
trasferito sulla carta,
Using
creando
letterpress
così una
printing
struttura in
technology
leggero
ensures
rilievo,
durability and
percepibile al
clarity.
tatto.
Printed sheets are cut into individual banknotes using precision equipment.
L'unità di
The SNB
microperforazione
emphasizes
aggiunge alla banconota un
sustainability in
ulteriore
production.
elemento di
The
sicurezza.
Durasafe
Un
substrate
potente
is
laser produce
recyclable and
piccolissimi
longer
fori nella
lasting than
carta
traditional
stampata.
paper, reducing
Ponendo il
waste.
biglietto davanti
The
a una
production of
sorgente
the
di luce,
Swiss
i
Ninth
microfori
Series
appaiono ben
banknotes
visibili.
demonstrates a
Essi
remarkable
formano una
fusion
croce
of
svizzera.
technology, art, and engineering. The focus on
L'unità
cutting-edge
di
security
numerazione
features
imprime
and
sul verso della
durability
banconota il
ensures
numero
that
di
Swiss
serie,
currency
composto da
remains
10
trusted
caratteri.
and
Su ciascun
nearly
biglietto è
impossible to
impressa una
counterfeit.
combinazione di cifre
These
e lettere
banknotes
con
reflect
procedimento tipografico.
Switzerland's reputation for precision and
Speciali
innovation.
dispositivi assicurano una numerazione progressiva. In tal modo, ogni banconota diventa unica ed è quindi facilmente identificabile. La laccatura è l'ultima tappa del processo di stampa. Entrambi i lati sono ricoperti da un sottile strato di vernice che conferisce alla banconota una lucentezza satinata. Questo procedimento protegge la banconota finita dallo sporco e la rende più resistente all'usura. Nell'impianto di taglio, i fogli sono tranciati nel senso della lunghezza e della larghezza per ottenere le banconote finite. L'ultima operazione è la verifica. Le banconote vengono esaminate nei minimi dettagli. Alla straordinaria velocità di 40 biglietti al secondo sono controllate grafica, qualità della stampa ed elementi di sicurezza. Confezionate in mazzette di 1000 unità, le banconote finite sono ora pronte per l'impiego.
The new design for the $100 note was unveiled on April 21, 2010 by the U.S. Department of the Treasury, the Federal Reserve, and the United States Secret Service. The new $100 note has 3D security ribbon, contains images of bells and 100s that move and change as you tilt the note. The bell changes color from copper to green when the note is tilted, creating an effect that makes it seem to appear and disappear within the inkwell. A faint image of Benjamin Franklin is visible when held up to the light, an embedded thread running vertically to the left of the portrait, visible from both sides of the note. It glows pink under ultraviolet light. The Bureau of Engraving and Printing produces its own special paper, which is a blend of 75% cotton and 25% linen. The printing process involves multiple stages using specialized inks and presses. The front and back of the note are printed separately, and then the two sides are joined together. The printed sheets of currency are cut into individual notes. Each note is carefully inspected for defects and to ensure that all security features are present and correct. The finished notes are packaged and shipped to Federal Reserve banks for distribution to financial institutions. The new $100 note was designed to stay ahead of counterfeiters and includes features that are easy for consumers and merchants to use to authenticate the currency.